Good morning. It is Monday. And it's gonna be the start of a new vlog. And this is actually a special one because it is my last week of university. I say university because we're doing online classes, so we're not really there anymore. But it is Monday. It is my last week of classes in my undergrad, and I thought I would just take you along with what happens this week. I'm a bit stressed because I have a lot to do, but it's okay. I'll get through it. Wish me luck. Parker's stressed. Do you want to tell them what you're making?
I'm making this tofu dish, and I literally have 2 ingredients out of like the 7 I need. So
She can do it. I believe in her.
okay, so
I'm so pissed.
as of now, I have my lemon, my mint. I made my soda water with our little soda stream, and I'm currently waiting for this to cool down a little bit so it's not like extremely hot. So I'll get back to you once that is ready. Okay, so I'm making a strawberry simple syrup. So I have strawberries, and then I have water and equal parts of sugar, and I'm just letting that simmer. And then I will show you what I do next. Parker has tofu under here. She broke her toe.
Broke my toe.
Okay, so this is what the strawberry syrup looks like after, and then I just picked out some mint leaves from our garden, and I'm gonna put it all together. I'm gonna take a lemon, preferably I would have used a lime, but we don't have any limes, and I'm just gonna squeeze it into our pitcher. Okay, I'm gonna use a spoon to put it in because the lid is a little bit small, and that's what it looks like. Good morning, peoples. It is around 11 o'clock. I had class from 8 to 10, and during my class I received an email that I was supposed to have a rough draft of my paper due today by 2, and I have not started that because I totally forgot about it because I was overwhelmed with other things. So I've been doing that right now, and I'm very stressed out about it. But yeah, this is my setup. Very fun. Had some cereal earlier, my computer, my list of stuff I need to do. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna be working on this until around 12, and then I'll probably take a break from 12 to 1 to eat before my class at 2:45. Hopefully I get this done. It is just a rough draft, so I'm probably just gonna like submit like the intro and whatever and hope for the best. But I totally forgot about it. The weather is beautiful, so I'm hoping to get outside a little bit today and get some sun.
morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. It is around 9 a.m. and I'm getting ready for the day. I don't have classes on Wednesday, so they're normally like my get stuff done Wednesday, and so I am going to be writing some papers. I can't wait for this to be over. And I'll probably go and visit Jay. He is like a 5-minute walk from my house. He's been social distancing there by himself because he doesn't have a roommate or anything. And so I'm gonna go visit him and we'll go for a little walk in our neighborhood. It's really convenient that he lives close to me because then we get to spend time together and it's not like I have to get into a car. It's like we can just go on a walk in our neighborhood and it's chill. And yeah, it's a really nice day. Might try and get some sun actually because it's so sunny outside. But first, skincare. Hello, a little update. It is lunchtime. It is around, what time is it? It's almost 1, it's 12:46, and I've been doing homework. I swept the backyard because on Mother's Day, my family is doing a picnic in our backyard, so I make it all nice. That's my dad. He's fixing our kitchen, so that's what he's doing. But I made a sandwich and so good. This is basically what I've been eating. It has hummus, tomato, little sprouts. It has avocado, and then I just put everything but the bagel seasoning on it and some salt, and then I have a little pickle because I love pickles. But yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy my lunch.
Oh.
Ah, damn it.
Whoa.
I just need to say that today is a very special day. It is my last day of college classes, which is really exciting. I just had my last capstones class. I have 2 more classes, and then I am done. So that's really exciting. It's Thursday, by the way. I'm just scared it's gonna break the plant.
Okay, so we're putting this tree
Into this tiny ass PT freezer.
into this. So let's try it.
Okay, we need to go head first. So, like this. Why is that still? Go for it, go for it. Okay. Let me open.
We got it in, finally.
Prop it up like that, and then we need to put something behind it. Oh, it's looking good. I'm just worried.
Okay. Our issue is that this might break.
Okay. Update time. We just finished our journey to Home Depot. It was probably the worst experience of our lives.
It was so traumatic.
I don't know. Everyone seemed to not really want to help us.
And that was our first time.
7-foot tree in our
PT Cruiser.
box of a car. So
Yeah, that was our first
wait, which
time.
way is Trader
I think it
Joe's?
was that. But I don't know if we can go for a cart. Harper had to go out, get a cart, and stand in line all over again while I waited there.
Wait.
What?
Oh my god, I thought they were gonna be open.
No, it's not a necessary.
If they
whatever.
were open, I would have gone like today.
It's European West. I mean, we're struggling out here. But yeah,
so bad.
we got an apple tree for our mom because that's what she wanted for Mother's Day. So we went on this excursion, and now the Trader Joe's is right there.
I know.
Now we're going to Trader Joe's to get stuff for breakfast.
We got so much more things.
Wait. We got pretzel, hummus,
And watermelon.
and look how cute! They're so good. It's really good. Really? Try yours. Kind of tastes like a Jolly Rancher. Can you open it? What? What? Oh. Anxiety. That's so good. Oh my god, it's literally, you heard it here. Sour Patch. Watermelon Sour Patch. Wait, you're right. Parker, guess why today is a special day?
My face isn't even in it.
Because you're too tall.
Okay, let's just film it like this.
It's like in the cartoons where the parents' face don't show. Okay, today's a special day because I had my last day of university. What do you have to say?
And I am eating a salad.
I think mine's better. And my dad's putting new floor down. Okay, hey vlog. It is Friday, and I just had a Zoom call for the sociology department at my school. It was kind of like a congratulations Zoom call, which is really nice. I had to speak when I didn't know I was gonna speak. Really awkward, but I did it, and it was actually really nice. And all the faculty like made TikToks and like danced, which was really awesome. But now Jay's in like his little ceremony thing in the room, and I have to still do some final paper stuff. Although I'm finished with class, I still have 2 papers that I need to submit, and I have to do like another assignment. So I'm probably gonna work on that. It's super nice here in San Francisco. It is like 74 degrees. It's super sunny, but unfortunately I'm gonna try and get a lot of my work done. So I'm probably not gonna go outside. Jay just made me an everything bagel with cream cheese. So I'm full. But yeah, let me show you my outfit. It's so cute. Just kidding. I'm just wearing the white Brandy, Jay's H&M swim trunks, and some socks. That's the fit. Let's see, Jay. Congratulations.
How's the homework going? Your screen's turned off. Are you doing homework?
No. one.
The biggest pimple. Just keep going straight up this hill thing.
I literally don't know.
Okay. We're going to get flowers, and hopefully there's flowers because it's Mother's Day, and they're probably gonna all
Straight?
go straight.
Oh yeah.
We're going to Trader Joe's because we're looking at floral websites.
It's stupid.
We should have ordered them to like come to our house, but
No, we
did nothing yesterday. Okay, yeah, but we're gonna go and we're gonna get some flowers and then make some arrangements for table decorations. We got ready. Parker got ready.
Oh, I drive like so like close to the hill.
And then we have our face masks, which are from Reformation. Kind of cute. And we're gonna hopefully find some flowers. Wish
If
us
not,
luck.
we can pick those.
No, we can't pick somebody's flowers out.
Like these.
We could pick these. Look.
You wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson.
Ooh, that looks dang.
I'll be.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, my love.
There's the mother in the flesh.
Oh my god, it's like dripping.
Okay, we've got the banana, lemon, the lemon blueberry loaf. Parker's putting zest on it. Bacon, a quiche that Parker made. It looks so good. Wow.
Goat cheese, spinach,
Goat cheese, spinach,
and shallots.
and shallots. And then we have some fruit salad, a lovely floral arrangement, and the mother.
This is amazing, girls. I am so impressed.
Do you approve?
Cannot wait until I dig in.
Woo! Happy Mother's Day.